Hi, I'm Helmer Osterman from fourth year Delphi. So, my topic is all about Pythagorean theorem. So, this is a right triangle. We will assign a value for each letter. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. So, C will be our missing number. So, the formula for this is C squared equals square root of A squared plus B squared. So, let's go. So we have to substitute the numbers. A is 3, C squared plus B is 2. So, so 3 squared means you have to multiply 3 by itself. So 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 9 plus, we have to do the same thing. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have to add it. 9 plus 4 is 13. So C squared equals square root of 13 is C squared equals 3.51.
Oh my gosh.
So that's the answer.